In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Gmail. By the end, you'll know how to turn on chat inside Gmail, start a conversation, place a call using the video icon, and hang up confidently. Let's get started right inside your inbox. Begin by signing in to Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. From there, choose See All Settings to expand the full settings page. This gives you access to the options you need for calling. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Chat and Meet. Make sure Google Chat is turned on here, so chat is active in Gmail. When chat is enabled, Gmail will show a chat area in the left sidebar. If the page refreshes, that's normal. Gmail is just applying your changes. Back in your inbox, look to the left sidebar and open Chat. This is where your conversations live and where you'll place your call. If you want to reach someone new, start by selecting New Chat. Type the person's name or email to create a new thread. If you already have a conversation with someone, you can simply use that existing thread instead, which saves time and keeps your messages and calls together. Open the chat message to view the conversation. Inside the chat window, look for the small video camera icon. This icon starts a call right from Gmail, using Google's built-in calling experience. When you're ready, click the video icon to begin the call to your teammate, friend, or family member. Before the call connects, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Approve those prompts so your audio and video work correctly. You can always disable the camera if you prefer an audio-only call, but leave the microphone enabled so people can hear you. If the other person isn't picking up, stay on the call screen for a moment so they have time to join. Once you're connected, you'll see on-screen controls to manage your call. You can mute your mic if there's background noise and unmute when you're ready to speak. If you turned your camera on, check your framing and lighting so you're clearly visible. When your conversation is finished, end the call by clicking the red phone icon on the call controls. That's all there is to it. You enabled chat in Gmail, opened a chat, placed a call using the video icon, allowed mic and camera access, and wrapped up by hanging up. Thanks for watching, and happy calling from Gmail.